evolution in the way we disseminate and share information. Bitcoin is a ledger technology, and I believe one of the best ways to predict where we're headed with this type of technology and the outcomes that we're going to see is actually to look to the past, to previous examples that accurately represent this type of technology. Now, one of the examples that came to mind for me is the printing press. And the printing press was a technology that was invented in the 15th century by a fellow named Johann Gutenberg in Germany. And at the time, this destroyed the monopoly that the church and religious institutions had on the dissemination and the publication of literature. No longer did the average citizen need to go to the church to understand how the world works and how they should live out their lives. Increasingly, they got access to other authors and were able to step into the minds of other people